Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wire CADI headlights. First, gather your essential tools, including wire strippers, crimpers, and a reliable multimeter. Next, carefully identify the positive, negative, and ground wires for your specific headlight units. It is critically important to ensure your vehicle's battery is completely disconnected before you begin any electrical work to prevent accidental shorts or injury. This initial preparation ensures a safe and smooth installation process. Now, let's connect the power and ground. Take the positive headlight wire and connect it to a switched 12-volt power source, ensuring it only receives power when the ignition is on. Then, securely attach the negative headlight wire to a clean, unpainted chassis ground point on your vehicle. Always use appropriate gauge wiring, typically 16 or 18 gauge, to handle the electrical load safely and efficiently, preventing overheating. For control and protection, install an inline fuse holder with a 10-amp fuse into the positive power line. This protects your circuit from surges. Next, wire a toggle switch to control the power supply to your headlights, allowing you to turn them on and off. If your CADI headlights are high wattage, consider using a relay. A relay prevents the switch from carrying the full current, extending its lifespan and ensuring reliable operation. Finally, it's time to test and finalize your installation. Carefully reconnect your vehicle's battery and then test the headlight functionality, ensuring both high and low beams work correctly. Verify that all your connections are secure and properly insulated, ideally with heat shrink tubing, to prevent any short circuits. Lastly, aim and adjust your headlights for an optimal beam pattern and maximum visibility, ensuring a safe driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.